Welcome back to Creatober Day 8. For today's word, glitch, I wanted to do something I did on a livestream 2 years ago and I've never gotten around to doing it again. Experimenting with glitchy effects and textures in Photoshop. Perfect pack in my opinion to do this with is the Marble Paint texture pack, since it's really abstract and colorful. You can get it on my webshop by the way. But I played around with pixelation filters, blend modes, curves adjustments, layer styles and anything I could think of to create some weird glitchiness. This is really fun to do in my opinion because you get results you weren't expecting, I guess. But the thing is, I would like to do this again on a live stream so people in the live stream chat can have some input on what I should do next. Anyways, if you're ever looking for a weird, randomized, color all over the place kind of effect, I would just drop in a couple of these textures and play around with the difference or exclusion blend modes. So if you want to get the project file from this video, you can become a Patreon member. All of the 31 project files from Creatober will be available for the inner core members on my Patreon channel. So that means that you can get the PSD files, Illustrator files, Cinema 4D files, anything that I use in that project.